Hey, so firstly, I just wanted to thank you so much for taking the time out of your day just to be here, to be on my page and learning a little bit more about the Dubai real estate market. So, if you're a real estate investor and you're looking for double digit returns, you're probably not experiencing this type of return in where it is that you're currently living or investing. So for me, it was the UK where we're not experiencing double digit returns. Here in Dubai, this is actually happening and it's real. So let's run through a few of the things. So you're probably a real estate investor, which is the reason why you're here right now. And that if you're looking for double digit returns, insanely high rental yields, or just looking to diversify your wealth through owning premium property here in Dubai, and of course having tax-free environment, you've come to the right place. Welcome. So as an investor, you've probably experienced market fluctuations, dips and economic recessions and things of that nature, which are really affecting the property market and your investment. Now, the thing is, which is amazing about Dubai is that it is politically and economically stable. And this is why we're so interested in investing into this country, the UAE. So really what we want to do is focus on making smart decisions without unnecessarily risking your wealth or your finances. We want to invest with clarity, confidence, and of course, conviction. You want a strong portfolio that grows year on year, and you don't want to spend endless hours worrying about market shifts. Is the bubble going to burst? Is there even a bubble to begin with? Of course, we will be covering some of this information on the future call that we are on together. So you already know what brings you success. It's making informed, strategic decisions, investing in the right market. And just that one opportunity, that one amazing property in Dubai could be that lever that changes your future forever. Now, I'm sure, like you and so many of the people that I've spoken to, have already researched a lot about Dubai, but the thing is, it can get super overwhelming and super confusing because you don't know where to invest. You're not sure if the capital appreciation has already saturated the developer. Who do you choose? What's the best payment plan? Do I choose a mortgage? Do I choose secondary? Do I do off-plan? Do I do off-plan flipping? Should I fix and flip? What do I do? That's what I am here for, to help you make an informed decision and come up with a structured game plan. You've likely spent a lot of time researching Dubai and its market, and you're super overwhelmed, you're super confused, but you still know that this is where you want to be. This is where you want to be putting your money, and that is the best place, first of all, to be. And of course, you've heard the success stories, maybe someone that you know, of someone who's invested into Dubai and actually seen amazing returns, maybe even doubling their money. And this is actually a fact. People have done this and are continually doing this in Dubai. But with so much information and misinformation, it's so difficult to make a decision with conviction and really know where to focus. So I know that you've done a lot of research, you know this is something that you want to do. You've heard all of the success stories, but something's still holding you back. Why? If you're honest with yourself, you know that it's not Dubai. It's not like you don't trust Dubai or that you doubt it. It's more the fact that you don't have the right guidance, you don't have someone on the ground who can tell you exactly what's happening in real time, navigate the complexities, and make the right decisions. Because without the guidance, the risk feels like it's too high. Ultimately, this is what you need to know, okay? So Dubai is an engineered city. It is not organic. It is not the same as the US or the UK or any European country for that matter, because these are all democracies. Leadership gets changed every 5 years and decisions can never be made in the same day. So whereas in Dubai, a new law can happen like that in the same minute if they really wanted to. That's why this city and this country, the United Arab Emirates, is moving at such a fast, rapid pace that they're actually outpacing every single market when it comes to real estate, or should I say every single country when it comes to the real estate market. They are absolutely dominating. Now, the thing that's important to understand is that this country works together as a monarchy, okay? It's not a democracy. What they have done is they've all planned synergistically a plan until the year 2040 to double the population size. Now, with this comes insane and amazing infrastructure, which has already been pre-planned in Ras Al Khaimah, the largest casino in the world, is coming there, Wynn Resorts. We have Al Maktoum Airport, which is going to be the largest airport in the world. 8,200 millionaires are recorded to move globally into the UAE just this year alone. There are some areas in Dubai that have capital appreciation of over 30% in 1 year, even higher in some cases. So anyway, my name is Zayan Amani, or AKA the Property Guy. And basically, the reason why I moved to Dubai was because I've been in real estate for 8 years. In the UK started. Now, everything there actually went really amazing. The only thing is that things happen slowly. You're taxed on all of your income. you're taxed on capital gains, and this is a frigging nightmare. The only way to actually access my cash is to either sell the property, but then risk getting capital gains, or I remortgage the property, get an equity loan, and have to pay interest onto that loan just to access my own money. Whereas in Dubai, this is all tax-free, and this is why I moved here. Each day that I spend here, I learn more and more about Dubai and its plans and the agendas which are in place. Now, this is the thing that actually gives me so much confidence and gives my clients so much confidence to really risk their wealth, because at the end of the day, it is a risk. Wherever you put your money, investment is really classed as risk. So wherever it is that you're putting your money, if it's going to be stocks, cryptocurrency, forex trading, are you going to be buying real estate? It is all classed as a risk, and it just depends on your risk tolerance. Look, I can tell you so many reasons why you should invest into Dubai, but ultimately there needs to be a few things. Do you have a budget? Are you in a position to invest? Are you the decision maker? Is this something that you really, really want to do? And are you already getting taxed massively in the current place that you live? Do you need a golden visa, or do you need a bank account in a country that has no tax? All of these are important questions. Do you want to live in Dubai? Do you want a place that is safe? The lowest crime rate in the world? The strongest economy in the world? If your answer is yes to all of these things, then we should really be having a conversation. The ultimate question is, can I personally help you make a decision? I think that's the key, because I've helped so many people in situations who have the capital, you have the money, but it's sat in the bank and it's eroding by inflation, okay? When your money's sat in the bank and it's doing nothing, you are actually losing money. Whereas you can park that money, not spend it, by the way, okay? We're not spending money, we are parking money. For example, when I bought this watch, this is a Rolex, okay? I didn't think of this as me spending money. I actually parked my money. I had the money in the bank, and then what I did was I took the money from the bank and I put it into this watch, okay? This watch has actually gone up in value. I've parked my money here, and now it is growing. So that's what we're doing, okay? We're moving our money from our bank account into an asset that is growing double digits in Dubai, tax-free. But ultimately, we just need to know if we're the right fit for each other, because I might not even like you. You might not even like me. Let's have a first call, and let's see if we can come up with a structured game plan for you to really make a lot of money in this market. I hope to see you on the call.